finally got to take my Electra glide for a spin, when all of a sudden, yep, that's definitely a lifter collapse. Looks like it's time to take it apart once again. I'll have to pull out the exhaust this time because I want to go into the nose cone and check out what's going on with the cam. Because I have a suspicion that there's a big cam in here and the heads aren't set up for it. Now we can remove the rocker boxes again. Before we take the nose cone off, we'll have to remove the pickup and take the pressure off the push rods. Alright, let's pull this nose cone and see what's going on in here. Well, I was right. As you can see, the one on the left is a stock cam. It's got a smaller lobe than the one on the right. This is what was causing all the problems in the valve train. Well, let's put the right cam in and get it back together. This is the original cam thrust washer. As you can see, it's got the two fingers on it to stop it from spinning. These only work with the older style cam. I have a 1990 and later one, so it requires this other style without the fingers. After confirming the end play is right, we're ready to put the rest together. After confirming the timing marks are right, we can put the nose cone back on. Before reinstalling the lifters, I'm going to put assembly lube on the cam and put a 1/4 quart of oil inside the case. Here's the new lifters I'll be installing. These are also called Tappets. Before installing these tappets, the manufacturer recommends filling them with oil first. Now we can coat the bore of the tappet blocks with some assembly lube. With the tappet blocks installed, we're ready to move on to push rods. I'm going to put all new O-rings on these push rod seals so they don't leak. I also cleaned out the push rods with brake clean and compressed air. Alright, now we can throw our rocker boxes back on. I threw these shorty pipes on here just for testing. It's a lot easier than throwing that whole exhaust system on, just to see if it works. Just touched the frame, so I'm going to have to do something about that, being that this motor is rubber mounted. Just a quick precision adjustment. Alright, let's get this back on and test it out. Well, she's a runner again. that does it for this episode. I hope you got something out of this. Thanks for watching. The Maker Hack Shack.